LangChain Community Vector Stores Scan Dependable Scan Import. Elaborated description of each component and their interactions. A mechanism to import data into the scan vector store in a reliable manner. It ensures data integrity by employing the dependable scan import function, which guarantees accurate import even if the process is interrupted. Real-world example. Imagine uploading a large dataset of customer reviews into a scan vector store for similarity search. Using the dependable import function, we can be confident that all the data is accurately ingested despite potential network hiccups or system crashes. Component 1. The dependable scan import function is a core component of the scan dependable scan import mechanism. It orchestrates the data import process, utilizing robust error handling and checkpointing to ensure data integrity even during interruptions. Component 2. The scan vector store acts as the destination for the imported data. It is a high-performance vector database designed for efficient similarity search. The scan vector store leverages approximate nearest neighbor search algorithms to quickly retrieve data points that are most similar to a given query vector. The dependable scan import function leverages the scan vector store's capabilities to ensure reliable data import. It employs a series of steps, including data validation, chunking, and error handling, to guarantee data integrity throughout the import process. The function utilizes checkpoints to track the import progress, allowing it to resume from the last checkpoint in case of interruptions, ensuring data consistency and minimizing data loss. The scan dependable scan import mechanism enables the creation and maintenance of reliable scan vector stores. It provides a robust way to import data, reducing the risk of errors and data loss. This reliability is crucial for downstream tasks that rely on the vector store, such as information retrieval, recommendation systems, and anomaly detection. Advantage 1. Improved data integrity is one of the key advantages of using the scan dependable scan import mechanism. It ensures that all imported data is accurate and complete, reducing the risk of errors or inconsistencies that can impact downstream tasks. Advantage 2. Increased reliability of vector store creation is another major benefit. The mechanism guarantees data consistency and robustness, making the vector store a reliable foundation for downstream applications. Challenge 1. Interruptions during the import process can occur due to factors like network instability, system crashes, or power outages. The scan dependable scan import mechanism addresses this challenge by utilizing checkpoints to track the progress and resume the import from the last successful checkpoint, minimizing data loss. Challenge 2. Ensuring data consistency and accuracy is paramount for reliable vector store creation. The dependable scan import function employs strict data validation and error handling to ensure data integrity and consistency throughout the import process. This includes verifying the format, completeness, and correctness of the imported data, ensuring that the vector store contains accurate and reliable information.